let's talk on one other thing that'll make the furnace not run. Oops. Not supposed to smack the camera stand, but oh well. Pressure switch right here. What's the whole purpose of it? It is a safety. The whole purpose that if this motor doesn't run, turn it off. If the squirrel cage inside is crystallized, don't let it run. You lose pressure going through there, don't let the furnace run. You're just there to prove airflow, be it through the venting system up, combustion air, something. It's a safety to make sure your furnace is not running with a clogged vent or in a dangerous situation. That's the one thing we have to keep in mind. One thing too, I have seen it where the burner's light shuts off, acts like the flame sensor, when in reality it came to a pressure switch problem. But it wasn't a bad pressure switch. No, it was the pressure switch is good, the hose is good, the port, the little port where that orange hose goes to on the inducer motor was plugged up. You'll find that very common. Crawl spaces that are kind of damp. It is very, very, very common in that. All you have to do, knock the crystallizing, whatever it is, out of there. It'll have enough air density to start it, but once it fires up, you don't have the air density anymore, and it kicks it out. And it won't give you a fault code. It just, you have to see what's going on and understand what is happening. All you have to do, very carefully, grab the hose, plug it out. While the hose is off, inspect it. If it seems like it's cracking, any splits or anything, replace it. That's all that is. No cracks, no splits. Yes, that's me blowing air through it. So let's check that port. I think we're going to be pretty good. That's the port that plugs up sometimes. And all you do is just slide the hose on there, and that's it. Not too complicated, is it? You want to see it go back on? Just like this. Put the thingy in the hole, and just like here, you put the thingy in the hole just like that. Bada bing, bada boom. We's done. All I'm going to do now, just some general inspections, general testing with the furnace. Kind of clean it up, make sure everything's okay. I'll try to explain some other little stuff in depth and detail if needed. Mainly, blow it out, vacuum it out, brush things off, test a few components. So I'll just go ahead and get started with that now. Just try to make it clean and shiny. Clean, shiny, safe. No carbon monoxide, no flame rollouts, no gas leaks. Even though the switch and door switch are off, does not hurt to make sure there's no voltage there, so don't get electrocuted. Checking bearings. Yeah, getting a little worn out, it feels like. Probably a lot of other stuff going on. There's quite a bit of in play. Let's see what spins. Yeah, still got some free play. Got a little bit of buildup, cat hair, dirt, kind of common with that. treasure trove there. Bullets. A little 22 though. Penny. This would be a good one. Brace yourself, earthquake time. And people wonder how dirty, nasty ductwork can get. Look at all that. Look at all that stuff. Look at all that. Keep in mind, when you're on this compartment, you're after the filter. So look at all that dust and dirt. That will cycle through the air. Everything there is before the filter. That's all before it. This is all after it. In fact, look at the dust ball there. Lots of little ductwork leaks. Heat exchanger close up. No cracks. Clean. Time to make a mess with the vacuum, I guess. Okay, those that are watching me are probably wondering, what is he doing? Well, in order to pull this blower motor out to check it and get to the capacitor and kind of clean it up with these Rheem furnaces, you have to disconnect wiring harnesses, your thermostat wire, your 2-wire for your controls for the air conditioner, the outdoor unit or condensing unit. You've also got to disconnect your ground, your black and white, your hot and your neutral wire. Remember, black hot, white's not. And when we go up in here, kind of right in here, there'll be a screw on each side to take out in order to slide the blower motor. My favorite deal, this. Anybody have an idea why there is duct tape holding my transformer for the humidifier like this? Why? I have no clue. That's kind of one of those moments of, what was this company thinking? And yes, you are seeing 120 volt line goes like this, as it should be connected here. Your neutral and hot side for the humidifier. And there'll be 2 wires connected on that transformer. Yet duct tape is being used to hold it in place. Duct tape. I hate hack work. This is hackery, almost getting at its finest. I won't call this the finest in hackery. No, no, no. Trust me, I have seen a lot worse. So we will be fixing this, and we will be correcting this, and we will make it right. All that's out for now is just have to disconnect the 2-wire here from the, oh yeah, it's been like that for a while. Look at this. I wonder if the company name that's on stickers all around here are the ones that did this. If you're gonna do hack work, don't put your stickers on there, people. It kinda gives it away. Oh, what's this? Duct tape over the electrical connections. Duct tape is not insulated. Duct tape is not designed for this. Just because somebody in NASCAR used it to work on a car to hold something together does not mean it has billions of uses and is good for electrical. You make good, honest people. You make my life hard with that. So at least you get a good portion of the video here today, right? Agree with me, YouTube? Go, yes. So, all I gotta do I want to disconnect the hot neutral from my 24 volt side? Hot neutral, because we're gonna try to get a drill. See if we can't just drill that bad boy out right there. Make it kind of more permanent instead of duct tape. Handy dandy little coil brush. Ooh, look at the dust come up. There's many different ways to do this. It's not that bad, so I'll just kind of aim it there. If you're not used to this, wear gloves. The only reason why I say it, unstamped sheet metal, mass production, they're not going to pay somebody to file the sharp edges off. You just got to be real careful. Now, you'll see these gaps. Those are vents to help cool the motor off. You have them back here, and guess where they also are? Up on the front inside of here. Guess where the one place is that people never try to clean, wipe down, because it's kind of a psychological deal. If you can see it, it's got to be clean, because it can be seen. Things that can't be seen, well, if nobody can see it, anybody there really complain that it wasn't done? Good honest company, they said we cleaned the front of it, everything. Guess what they're gonna do? That's right, they did it. So, wipe it down, wipe it down. All right. Not too bad, not too bad. Seen a lot worse, but not too bad. Now, we gotta test some electrical components, don't we? See that? Right there. That is a run capacitor. Kind of gives the motor the oomph to go. Oh, look at here. More duct tape. More duct tape. Guess that's how you do it. If it don't run this way, how do you make it work? More duct tape. Rheem likes to use a 5/16 here. Alright. I just like to go to ground like this. We go like this. I put my probes right there. Didn't really count down like it was supposed to.